Clearly, we're all looking at the health issues because what's been going on for a while is the economy is in the tug of war between two forces. Can we reopen? And how is the virus going to be? Is the health concern still going to be contained? And I didn't anticipate when I wrote this outlook 10 days ago that we would see such a surge in viruses now, although I did cite it as a risk. So what we're seeing is really a setback of saying maybe the economy cannot get back to speed as quickly as we had been hoping, a week or two ago.
Okay, so, listen, a mall opens up and now we're able to go. And now we're reading the headlines about increased cases. I'm sort of speaking sort of generically around the country. The mall owner wants us there. The retailers and restaurants need us there, but we don't need to go there anymore. We can order everything online. Do you think people will still want to go? And will they go?
People certainly want to go. They will go when they feel they can do so safely. And the most important thing is they've got a lot more spending power to do so once it's safe to go back out. We're already seeing the retail sales last month jump twice as much as analysts had expected. And we're looking tomorrow to see if overall consumer spending had a 9 or 10% rebound, reversing, maybe 3/4 of the plunge the previous month. The really important thing to keep in mind, though, is that the fundamentals of the household, the consumer, were much stronger when this hit than they normally are going into a recession. You didn't have households strapped. Yes, some households were strapped, but overall, household balance sheets, household debt was much more in line, much more contained than you'd had previously. That means there is spending power that's really ready to go once the health situation is clear, but that's not clear yet.
When do you think we're going to have clarity, Calvin?
It's going to take a while. What we had been hoping that the decrease in overall cases of the virus was going to give us a clear path for going back out. But over the past week or so, we've seen that some of the states started reopening a bit early. I mentioned at the beginning that there's a trade-off, a tug of war between economic reopening and the spread of the virus. Unfortunately, if you go too fast with the reopening, you aggravate the spread of the virus. We're going to have a reality check and see how quickly people can go out. Do people need to do more of what the health officials were recommending? And then we'll get through this. It'll be touch and go until we have some more clarity on a vaccine, though.